So in this video we'll see how to transfer our web request from HTTP to HTTPS using URL rewrite. I've listed down all those steps here. We'll discuss one by one. So the very first step is to download the URL rewrite setup file. So by these two URL link which I have provided, you can easily download the setup file for both 32 and 64-bit computer. Then we need to enable the IIS that I will cover in my next video. So first we'll install the URL rewrite setup file using the link which I have provided, and then we'll apply some rule over our IIS using the steps which I have given here in the fourth step. Okay, so in the fifth step we'll apply HTTPS protocol to our website to enable it for the SSL certificate, and lastly we'll check our browser to ensure like this has been transferred to HTTPS. So first we'll go to IIS and check our website. So here you can see I have created one website called Quick Fix on the site. So first we'll browse it to check like it is still HTTP. So it's running on my local browser, so we will type localhost and then the website name. So you can see the website is loading here. So this is my website which I have created here. Okay, so it's loading perfectly. So in the URL you can see still the protocol is HTTP, so that I will show you by copying the URL link. Okay, so here you can see it is still HTTP. So here you can see it is still HTTP and the site is not secured. Here it is saying site is not secured, and there is no certificate enabled to it, and there is no option which is saying there is a certificate to our website because our website is not redirecting to HTTPS. So now we'll search for the URL rewrite. So we have already I've already installed that setup file. So here you can see the URL rewrite. So we'll apply the rule here following the link which I have given in the step 4. So that is pretty simple and you can apply it. So here you can see the rule which I have already created, HTTPS force. So now we can browse our website and we can see like it is redirecting to HTTPS. So we'll do IIS reset first. So you have to open command prompt and here simply type IIS reset. So your IIS website will be refreshed here, and now we can check the website. So to check the website we'll go to our browser, we'll type the link, so here you can see it's trying to browse but it's failing still. So probably we are missing some step. We'll go back and see what step we missed actually. So probably the step number 5 to edit binding. So we need to perform one edit binding here. So on your site you click edit binding and add one HTTPS. So HTTPS is basically to enable a certificate on your website. So we should have one valid certificate here, since we are doing HTTPS. We are not trying to get a certificate here, so but still, since it requires a certificate, we'll add a dummy certificate to see how it redirects to HTTPS. So to do that, we'll again go back to the website. Okay, and here you can see certificate, server certificate. Here you can add one dummy certificate from the portal. Okay, so for each of your website you should purchase one certificate. So that I will cover in my next video, how to have a valid certificate. Here, since we are talking about redirection of HTTP to HTTPS, so we'll first see like whether it's redirecting to HTTPS or not. So for that we'll have a dummy certificate. So here you can add a certificate here, self-signed certificate. You can give any name. So it's not a valid certificate which requires a private key. So here we are just creating to select that option from edit binding. So here I have added one certificate, and now you can again come to edit binding, add HTTPS and select that certificate and simply click OK. Now it will try to find the HTTPS certificate and it will redirect. Okay, now HTTPS is added here. We'll refresh, we'll again do IIS reset, and then we'll try to browse our website again. IIS reset is completed. Now we'll browse our website. So this is my link to the website. Now you can see here it is successfully redirecting to HTTPS. Since our certificate is not valid, that's why it's giving in not secured option here. So here you can go to advanced and you can check here it's suggesting some private key, valid private key or public key for your certificate. So here you can see certificate. Now my site is loading with a HTTPS protocol. Certificate is not valid because we have not purchased it. We have added a dummy certificate. So that is how we can redirect our web request to HTTPS. So in this way you can reroute your website to HTTPS protocol from default protocol HTTP without having to have a single line of code change. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.